Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting the clip you want to speed up or slow down. This gives Final Cut Pro context for the edit. Once selected, turn on the skimmer and place the playhead at the exact frame where the change should begin, because precision prevents unwanted jumps. Now enable the retime controls from the clip menu or press Command-R so you can see and manipulate speed handles. This is the only correct path to alter clip speed non-destructively. You'll now change the rate. Open the retime menu and pick a preset speed or choose custom to type an exact %, because presets are fast while custom gives control. Once done, drag the retime handle on the clip edge to stretch or compress duration, or add a speed ramp marker to create a gradual change. This is how you preserve timing. Make sure to set frame blending or optical flow from the retime submenu for natural motion when slowing or speeding. Finish by rendering or letting background processing complete so you can accurately review motion. Playback reveals artifacts that previews can miss. If you see stutter, conform the clip's frame rate or enable optical flow again, because mismatched rates often cause issues. Make sure audio is handled. Detach it and retime independently or replace it with a matched duration track. If problems persist, undo the retime and reapply small increments to isolate the error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.